Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and when I'm making this, it is for you for Labor Day, which is a holiday. So you, sorry about that. You may or may not be working, but let's go over both. So if you are a payroll Fly Baby and you have to work on this holiday, good on you. You're getting extra time. I hope you're getting overtime. I know I worked many when I was on the railroad. We got double time and a half, so it was always great, but it wasn't an option. You had to do it. All right, so here we go. If you're working, it is get up in the morning and do your routine before the children. Children are probably not going to be going to school or off today, so make sure you leave them some instructions or leave instructions with the caretaker. But they need to get up and do their morning routine so you know that their bed is made and everything is done. Unless they're older children and you can trust them to do their jobs, and when you come home you inspect what you expect. You might give them a call today. And then when you're at work today, you're going to think about that weekly home blessing hour and when you're going to break that up and how you're going to do that. Also, today is Zone 2. This is the kitchen. Zone 1 was Saturday, Sunday, so if you were working and you had to do your Zone 5 from the week before, that's fine. You're going to miss Zone 1. It's okay. The people who are at home Fly Babies also miss Zone 1 because they work Zone 5 Monday through Friday, and Zone 2 happened on a Saturday. It's just the way it falls sometimes. So today is Zone 2, the kitchen. So here's what you're going to do. When you get home today, you're going to look at your plan that you made on Sunday and see what thing you're going to do in the kitchen after you make dinner. So when you come home, inspect what you expect. Always our clutter checks 3 times a day. And then start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, start dinner. Once it's simmering, do your zone. If you have to do your weekly home blessing hour yourself, do your weekly home blessing hour. Either one thing or all of it, depending on what time you get home and how much time and energy you have. All right, so let's catch up with our at-home Fly Babies, and we'll all come together with the after-dinner routine. So at-home Fly Babies, today is a holiday as well, so your spouse may be home today. Your kids are home if they aren't homeschooled, or they're, yeah, that's it. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to treat it like a Saturday. So you're going to get up in the morning when you feel like it, do your morning routine before the kids, put your kids through their morning routine. Enjoy this day. This is a holiday. So guess what? We're going to skip the weekly home blessing hour today. And we're also going to skip the zone today. It's a holiday. It's not the end of the world. This is why you do it every week. Every now and then you get to skip. Ta-da! Okay, so what you're going to do is get up in the morning, do your morning routines, kids through their routines. Maybe you'll need to do a load of laundry. Maybe you'll need to go, nope, the mail's not going to run today, so you don't even have to do an inch of paper. Skip that. You're not going to work a project. You're not going to work on your zone unless you want to, okay? So this is the day. You're going to enjoy yourself. And when you have dinner, we are going to have the after dinner routine with the family. So come on, payroll Fly Babies, everybody's together. It's the after dinner routine. Do not take this on yourself. Do not neglect it and let your kids do it by themselves. This is a family thing where we clean it up like that, okay? Then after that, we're going to do the before bed routines because tomorrow's a regular day. We're going to get right back in. All right, so that's it for today. This is a simple day. I hope you enjoy it. You can consider this your free day if you want to, but you don't have to because it's a holiday. Tomorrow can still be a free day if that's what you want to do. Isn't that wonderful that you can skip every once in a blue moon when it's a special day? All right, that's it for today. Don't forget that you are beautiful. Bye.